Hello, just long time no see, children, and Miss Tam is back with her video, and knowing that this is the time is really needed, right? So I'm very proud of you guys. You guys were working on your own and adding and subtracting. Adding money, but this week we're gonna do subtracting. And today, this will help you understanding what happened last week too. So the first thing is I think I need to do a lesson on introduction to language of money. You need to understand the language. But before we do that, I have to introduce what place values. Okay? So I'm giving you 4 places, okay, with a decimal. The first place that is farthest to the left, this is the tens place. And if it's money, I'm just going to put a $10 bill. Let's say there's 2 tens, there's 2 $10 bills. Okay? So just remember the first place, 2 places to the left of the decimal point is the tens place, and that tells you how many $10 bills that you have. And then the second place right here, we call it the ones place, and what we were presenting is a dollar. Let's say if the place says 3, I have $3. Pretty sweet, huh? Now the next place, then it comes to the decimal. Decimal point is a separation between the dollars and the cents. So the next 2 places are the cents. Okay, so I'm going to use a black to write it down. And the first one on the right of the decimal is the dime. I'm going to just put the 10 cents with the dime. It tells you how many dimes in here. So for example, if there is 4, I don't want to draw too many dimes. I'm just going to put 4. That means I have 4 dimes. So I'm going to draw 4 dimes to help you understand. Okay? And then the last place right here, 2 places from the right of the decimal point are the pennies. Let's say I have 6 pennies. This means pennies. Okay, 1 cent means pennies. So I have 6 cents, 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pennies. Now, but then the whole thing here, the whole value of this is $23.46. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, so let's say my money is, what it's giving is $42.31. Okay, so again, I'm gonna put my 4 places here. The 4 is the 4 tens. That means I have 4 $10 bills. Okay, so Miss Tam is drawing some very quick $10 bills here. That's 4 $10 bills, right? Then I have the 2 right here. 2 on the ones place. That means 2 $1 bill. Oopsie, too fast. Then I'm gonna change color for my cents. This is 3 dimes. And then 1 penny. So this together means $42.31. If you look at it, $42.31 is pretty sweet. That's a good amount of money that probably can get your family for a lunch. Now the second part of the language of money is that you will often see $3 written like that. But for the mathematical sense of it, we need to put the decimal there. So if you have $3, I want you to write 3 and then a decimal, no dimes and no pennies, just like that. And they're speaking of the same thing. Okay? And then let's give another example. This is a $12. Pretty sweet, right? $12 can get you a good lunch at Punky's, a burger and a fries and a drink. So one $10 and two $1, right? Now I'm gonna write it with the decimal. 1, 2, dot, decimal, no dime, no zero. No pennies. Okay? So children, when you are converting your money, please write it with the decimal with 2 extra zeros, because that will help you later on lining up your number sentence when we need to add and subtract. Okay? Now we're going to do cents. Now this is 30 cents. That means in my brain I'm thinking of it as 3 dimes, right? Not a lot, but when we are transferring, transferring this to a money, we need to put a dollar sign. I have no $1, put a decimal. I have 3 dimes and no pennies. Did you see, children? This and this are the same thing. Okay? Now let's do another one. 80 cents. Same thing. I put a dollar sign. No dollar bill, very sad. 8 dimes, no pennies. The last one, let's say, is not a tens number. Will it make a difference? Nope. I have 45 cents. What does that give me? A dollar sign, no dollar, 4 dimes, and I have 5 pennies. It's still very little money. So children, if you understand this, the language of money, this unit with adding and subtracting is easy. So I'm hoping you will find this very helpful to you as you are moving on to your adding and subtracting money. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.